Hello, radiant beings. Welcome to our beauty haven where we unveil secrets to glowing skin, lustrous hair, and strong nails. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of collagen, a powerful protein that's vital for our beauty and wellness. It's the foundation of our hair, skin, and nails, and plays a critical role in maintaining their health. In this video, we're going to share the ultimate collagen tip, backed by scientific research, that will help you enhance your beauty from within. Are you ready to unlock the #1 collagen tip for a beauty boost? Stay tuned. To fully appreciate our collagen tip, we need to first understand the power of collagen. Collagen, a protein that's often referred to as the body's scaffolding, plays a vital role in maintaining our youthful appearance and overall vitality. It's the superstar behind the scenes, working tirelessly to keep our skin, hair, and nails looking their absolute best. Take our skin for instance. Collagen is the key to the skin's elasticity and firmness. It's like an invisible net, holding everything together and preventing the onset of wrinkles and sagging. A study published in the Journal of Medical Nutrition and Nutraceuticals found that individuals who supplemented with collagen saw a significant improvement in skin elasticity within just 4 weeks. Now let's talk about hair. Collagen provides the amino acids that your body uses to build hair. A study from the Journal of Investigative Dermatology discovered that collagen could indeed promote hair growth and thickness, and when it comes to nails, collagen is just as essential. It helps to prevent splitting, peeling, and brittleness. A scientific study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology showed that a daily dose of collagen led to a significant increase in nail growth and a decrease in nail breakage. Now that we understand the benefits of collagen, it's time to reveal our top collagen tip. Drum roll please. Our top collagen tip is incorporating bone broth into your daily diet. Yes, you heard it right, bone broth. This traditional food is a goldmine of collagen. It's made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue, which naturally releases collagen and other beneficial nutrients into the broth. Now, you might be wondering, how can you add this to your routine? Well, it's quite simple. You can sip on a cup of bone broth as a warm afternoon beverage, or use it as a base for your favorite soup or stew. It's a very versatile ingredient that can easily be incorporated into your meals. So what can you expect when you start embracing bone broth? Well, let's turn to science. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that consuming bone broth significantly improved skin elasticity and hydration. Another research from the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology revealed that regular intake of bone broth led to noticeable improvements in nail strength and hair thickness. But bone broth doesn't just stop at beauty benefits, it's also great for overall health. A study in the Nutrition Journal showed that bone broth can support gut health, boost immunity, and even enhance sleep quality. Incorporating this tip into your routine can revolutionize your beauty journey. But let's summarize everything we've learned today. So, we've journeyed through the world of collagen and revealed our top tip. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We've learned about the powerful effects collagen has on our bodies. It's a protein that acts as the building block for our hair, nails, and skin, providing them with the strength and resilience they need to shine brilliantly. It's the unsung hero of our beauty routines, the secret weapon we never knew we needed. We've also cracked open our vault of beauty secrets and shared our #1 tip to harness the power of collagen: consistent supplementation. Remember, it's not enough to just know about collagen. We need to incorporate it into our daily routines, making it a non-negotiable part of our quest for beauty. But don't just take our word for it. The science backs it up too. Studies show that regular collagen supplementation can lead to significant improvements in skin elasticity and hydration, hair thickness, and nail strength. It's not just a beauty tip, it's a beauty revolution. Thank you for joining us on this beauty adventure. Remember, the secret to beauty is health, and collagen plays a key role in that. Make sure to subscribe and share this video with your fellow beauty enthusiasts. Until next time, stay radiant.